Laughing hard can trigger hiccups due to the sudden contraction of the diaphragm. When we laugh, our diaphragm contracts rapidly, similar to when we hiccup. This rapid contraction can stimulate the nerves that control breathing, causing a hiccup. Additionally, the excitement and surprise of laughter can also stimulate the vagus nerve, which regulates breathing and can lead to hiccups. So, it's not just the laughter itself, but the sudden and intense physical response that can trigger a hiccup.